Over here.
What? 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 Who's there? Hello.
Hello. My name is Susan. It's from the Parrot. Please say everything you want and I will repeat after you.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
I'm fine.
Ah. Jeez, what is all that racket? Ah, check it out. This is the parrot. His name is Biscuit.
This is a parrot. His name is Susan.
Oh, stop copying me.
Obviously,
Polly want a cracker.
you want the cracker?
We'll be right back with Foxy.
Whether someone is across the neighborhood, across the street, or across the room, you have the power to make them feel right at home. Ritz, a taste of welcome.
We now return to Foxy.
Here, have a cracker.
Thank you.
Was it good?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you.
You're the best.
You're the best.
I thought we were friends.
That's your friends.
Foxy, I think it's time to go to the hospital.
Okay. See you later, Biscuit.
See you later. Biscuit.
Flynn, this is your new home.